Okay, good morning, Jack. I'm going to quickly explain degree. If you could just do these with me, that would be great. I know it's a little extra work, but it will help. And then if you're confused after this video, email me, okay? But email me that you saw it and if you understand it or you don't understand it. Okay, so looking at number one, this polynomial is broken into three terms, 1, 2, 3. You look at each term separately, and you look at the value of the exponents in that term, almost like each one's its own separate bank. What's the total exponent value in each separate bank here? Okay, so pretend this is a bank. The total exponent value would be 5. This one would be 11, and this one would be 2. Okay, the one with the highest controls the whole thing. So that basically defines the entire polynomial. So it's 5, 11, 2. So this goes first. We're going to put it in standard form. So I'm going to do 8x5y6. That goes first. This goes second. And that one goes third. You don't need the ones after you put it in standard form. Okay? The highest one defines it. It's the strength of the whole thing. So the degree would be 11. So if they're clustered like that, so think of this as a bank, the total exponent value in this bank is 11. All right, you try number 2. Pause and do it. Okay, so let me put the ones in here. And what I want you to notice first is that these two, I talked about it the last couple days, is a recipe. These two match exactly. 1x, 1y, 1x, 1y. They match exactly, so you're going to be combining them. But don't put the answer yet because you have to figure out which is the highest first. So this is 2, this is 9, and this is 2. The 9 goes first, so you write the negative 4x8y. And now you can add them. 10 minus 3 is 7. But nothing when you add. Don't change the exponents when you're adding. So it'd be 7xy. So again, I'm going to put that one to show you. 9 is the strength of the whole polynomial. It defines the whole thing because it's the highest. So your degree would be 9. Okay. Now this has 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has a 6, an 8, a 5, and a 9. There's nothing to add because this term only has 1. This term only has 1. This term only has 1. And this term only has 1. Okay, pause it. Put them in order from the highest to the lowest. Called standard form. All right, you're back. So you should have 3x9 in the lead. Then 2x to the 8th. Then 7x to the 6th. And then minus 4x to the 5th. The highest one is the 9. So you write degree 9. All right, so email me and let me know if you do get it or you don't get it. Tell me either way. Thanks.